This week, tragedy struck Camp Mystic in Hunt, Texas. A sudden flash flood turned a summer of laughter into heartbreak. 27 lives lost at the camp, 118 across the region. But in the chaos, there was a hero, Richard Dick Eastland. Dick Eastland wasn't just the camp director, he was a fixture in the community. He and his wife Tweety bought Camp Mystic back in 1974, nurturing it into a place where generations of girls made lifelong memories. But Dick always knew the river could turn dangerous. "The river is beautiful," he once said, "but you have to respect it." Over decades, Dick experienced floods again and again. In 1985, he watched as his pregnant wife had to be airlifted out, floodwaters cutting off the camp. After a neighboring camp lost 10 children in 1987, Dick pushed hard for a modern warning system, and he got one. But as the years passed, that system got old and was eventually retired. Dick never stopped fighting. He served on the Upper Guadalupe River Authority, pushing for better protection. Just this April, Dick and the board finally approved a new monitoring system. Installation was set for July, but the flood came too soon. When the waters rose, Dick ran toward danger, doing everything he could to save the campers he loved. He gave his life trying, his legacy, more than just the lives he touched. It's a call for action, a reminder that warnings matter and heroes fight for what's right, no matter the cost. Let's honor Dick Eastland by making sure his fight wasn't in vain